What if I told you you're not broke because you lack talent? You're not stuck because you lack hard work. You're stuck because you lack systems. Every single person on this planet, including Bill Gates, gets 24 hours. No bonus time, no special clock. So why does one person struggle for rent and another builds empires? It's not effort, it's structure. The invisible trap. Most people sell time 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours. But time has a ceiling. You cannot work 50 hours a day. So your income stays limited. The wealthy, they build things that work without them. And as James Clear wrote in Atomic Habits, you don't rise to your goals, you fall to your systems. Let that sink in. Your dreams are not the problem. Your design is. The turning point. Imagine this. You wake up, you check your phone, and while you were sleeping, a sale happened. Money was invested, content was posted, emails were sent. Automatically. That's not fantasy. That's systems. Let me show you the 15 pipelines that change everything. 1. Pay yourself before the world does. Stop saving what's left. There is never anything left. Automate 20% of your income. Separate account, no ATM, no touching. Wealth should be automatic, not emotional. 2. Build a 24/7 sales machine. Instead of chasing customers, create a simple sales funnel. Landing page, offer, payment system. It works while you sleep. No salary, no excuses. 3. Stop being a social media slave. Don't post daily in panic. Create content once a week. Schedule it using tools like Hootsuite or Buffer. Now your presence runs daily, but you don't. 4. Create a magnet. Instead of begging for attention, offer value. Free checklist, free ebook, free guide. Collect emails. Build trust. Let leads come to you. 5. Document everything. If your business dies without you, you don't own a business, you own a job. Study companies like McDonald's. Systems create consistency. Write simple step-by-step processes. Free yourself. 6. Own your audience. Social media is rented land. Accounts disappear, algorithms change. Email lists don't. Build direct communication, no middleman. 7. Turn buyers into repeat buyers. Getting a new customer is expensive. Keeping one is smart. Automate follow-ups, rewards, reminders. Loyalty builds predictable income. 8. Buy back your time. Ask yourself, is this task worth my future? Use platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Outsource small work. Focus on big growth. 9. Track income, track expenses, track progress. What gets measured improves. 10. Automate learning. Your income grows with your knowledge. Listen while driving, read daily, use apps like Notion. Upgrade your brain daily. 11. Stay visible. Opportunities come from people. Stay in touch, add value, be remembered. 12. Protect your energy. No energy, no success. Exercise, sleep, discipline. Your body is your engine. 13. Invest automatically. Don't just work for money, let money work for you. Automate monthly investing. Small amounts, long term. Compounding changes lives. 14. Ask for feedback. Markets change fast. Companies like Nokia ignored signals. Don't drive blind. Collect reviews, adapt quickly. 15. Weekly CEO meeting with yourself. Every Sunday, 1 hour, no distractions. Review your week. Adjust, improve, repeat. Final message, strong ending. There are two types of people. bucket carriers and pipeline builders. Bucket carriers work every day just to survive. Pipeline builders struggle once, then let systems work forever. At first, building systems feels slow, boring, uncomfortable, but staying broke is slower, more boring, more painful. You don't need more motivation, you need structure. Start with one system, just one, because the day your systems start working, you stop surviving and start building freedom.